So today I'm going to show you how to make an easy face using tools rather than relying on your fingers to sculpt your face, because some people have much larger fingers, or you might want to have nails, and it can be really difficult to get in there and shape out all the details of the face. We're going to use my tools today from my 5-piece set, and these are awesome because unlike other tools, they do not have the seams in them the same way, so they don't indent and create marks where they shouldn't on your paste. You'll also need my skin tone paste color. Now this is super cool. You only need one pot. One pot makes all of the different skin tones, and all you need to do is add a little bit into your paste and then pull it out and mix it in. I've got a video showing you how to use this and mix all the different colours and giving you tips on it. It's just coming up above here.